Now I'm in Kayu Kayu in Alam Sutera to meet our friend there. Let's go in. Okay, we are going to the entrance for the Kayu Kayu. Okay, this is Kayu Kayu. So our friend is there.
Jalan dulu, jalan.
Halo, apa kabar? Halo. Bunga-bunga yang merah, hijau. Cantik. Our clothes is very colorful today.
Iya. Gimana sih? Ibu.
Yeah.
Hai.
Tami. So we are ordering food now.
Yeah. Yeah. The menu is very
So this place is called Kayu Kayu. It's a very nice place. The setting is very nice. It's full of wood. So it's our first time. Sugar cane, peppermint. Okay, and we have the ayam tangkap Aceh.
serundeng. Oh, serundeng. Serundeng itu kelapa.
Fried papaya flower
Yeah, with leaf.
with leaf.
Yeah.
This is fried chicken with mango sauce. Our food is all here. Enjoy. Selamat makan. So it was a great dinner in this Kayu Kayu. So thank you very much.
Welcome.
Wedi, Bu, Kami, yeah.
Thanks for your time.
Thank you.
Bye,
Thank
see
you for this wonderful meal. See you. Bye.
Bye-bye.